Hello, if you wonder if Apple Watch Series 10 comes with a charger in the box, then yes, it does, but you will have to remember that it doesn't actually comes with a power adapter. So there's no power adapter inside, there's only charger, the small charger with a USB-C end. So this is the USB-C end. This is the charger. And you can actually connect this charger to any power supply device, like for example your PC, even to your smartphone if you have iPhone with USB-C, or for example into the charging brick with USB-C, but you don't have to actually purchase original power adapter from Apple. You can use this one from any other devices like Android devices, for example. And if you wonder if you can use charger from older Apple Watches, then yes, at least in my case I'm using charger from my Apple Watch SE2 and it works fine with my Series 10. Thanks for watching.